Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about nested loop. That's mean I could add 4 inside 4. As I told you, this is not big deal because we say the block of code, this block could have 4 inside it, could have any if statement or anything. But just to make it easy for you, I will do example for you. I say I will open a new class, I will name it nested 4. Okay. I just make sure to take copy from simple if I just take this line and just keep only this method. Okay, so let me go by simple, do a simple loop like for loop, integer I equals 0, then I minus less than 10, then I plus plus. Then I will just open a bracket, then I say system dot output, I just printing a star. Okay, if I save it, and let me just close other tabs, I just keep save only this tab, I just run it, you see number of stars here. Here you go, number of stars in every line. This is what we do it. But imagine you want to do another work. You say, okay, I need to do another for loop inside this for loop. Let me say I define for loop, another for loop equal integer j equal 0, then j less than 10, then j plus plus. Then when I say, okay, when I have this condition, I will say system dot output, then I not a printing line, I just printing a space. So let me say what this code will do for us, or let me see what this code do for us. And just before this one, it is better do it in this way. Yes, I would say yes. First of all, I print the star, then take some space, then go down. It's better also to remove this one just to show you what I want to do. Then by the end, when we done, I just print slash n mean new line. Okay, so now let me execute this code. What I have, for sure, I just have printing star, then I go to the end, here we go. Let me do my basic example for loop. So I say for integer I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Then I will print star, for example. I will say, hey, print a star for me. That means he will print a star 10 times. If you see, I have 10 star. Imagine I want to add another for loop inside that loop. I say, okay, I have another loop, will be integer j equals 0, then j less than 10, then j plus plus. Okay, then I run it, I have a lot of stars. Do you know what? You know what? Because every execution for this loop will execute all the time that's have it. Now I want to do like more professional work. I want to say first time have this star here, then second time I have it 1 space, then 2 space, then star, then 3 space, then a star, and continue. So first of all, let me suppose I have printing the star and go to a new line. When I go to a new line, I just come through this for loop. I will say SYSO, then print for me one empty space. But now and every time he will print 10 empty space, because this is how it works. See, he just 10 empty space, and this also a print line. Let me just print, so you will see 10 empty space. If you see, first one will be here, second one will have 10 empty space, then it's come the star. 10 empty space, then come the star. Why this one work? Because this is a block of code, and for first I, he will print 5 star, or you could do it in this way, you will understand how it works. So first one he print a star, then he print 10 this quotation, then a star, then 10 quotation star, 10 quotation star, 10 quotation star. You don't want it to be this one. You want it to be like first one you start from this I. So I say, okay, I want to start from I, and I would say greater than or equal 0, then you do minus minus. Let me say what we have now. If I save it, I click it, here you go. This is the new design. So how I get this design? Let me add a bracket here and show you how the app executed. So just in this way, and debug please. Here you go. Now I'm in this line, I don't have any defined things. So you see, now the I equal 0. If I equal 0, now I'm in the block of the for loop. That means this block will consider as a block, will execute it as a block. So first of all, he will print star, if you see, then he have a for loop. He will continue executing this for loop. So first time, how much j0 is the 0 greater than or equal 0? Yes, but he minus it be minus 1, he will not, he go next. Now, how much the I1, if you see, printing the star, see the screen, he print the star, then he go down, if I say print line, that means I'm going to the next line. So the pointer to the next line. How much the j equal I equal 1, that means first one will be 1 for j. So first 1, print 1 star, then he go back, minus by 1 will be j, if you see j equal 1. So now when I take 1 down, he will be 0, he will print it again. Now this 0 is minus 1 greater than 0, no, he will go next, print another star. Then, if you see, here you go, continue. Now, how much the I should be 3, print a star, go new line. Now, how much j will start from 3, see, it is a 3. So is 3 greater than 0? Yes, print single quotation. Is 2 greater than 0? Yes, print. Is 1 greater than 0? Print. Yes. See how I could manage this loop by this loop by giving this value for it. Just I want you to know, and from this video, anything inside the block, just deal with it as normal code inside it. So don't think about this loop will affect on this loop. No, this is loop have a block, and anything inside this block will treat as a normal code. If you show the for loop continue executed until it is done, then it's go back. Then when this one take next time, this one continue executing, then go back. This is basic nested for. Here we done, and see you next.